dermatology updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Johnson & Johnson's IL-23 oral inhibitor, icotrokinra, has shown impressive results in the iconic LEAD Phase 3 trial. At week 24, 75% of teens achieved complete skin clearance, IGA 0, and 84% reached clear or almost clear skin, IGA 0 to 1, by week 16. The trial also reported a favorable safety profile, with fewer adverse events versus placebo, 50% versus 73%. This marks the first systemic psoriasis treatment trial to include both adults and adolescents, setting a new precedent for inclusive dermatology care. Guselkumab, Tremfya, has become the first IL-23 inhibitor to demonstrate significant inhibition of radiographic progression in psoriatic arthritis. Data from the APEX Phase 3b trial showed improvements in symptoms and joint preservation among biologic-naive patients. Already approved for PsA, plaque psoriasis, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis, Tremfya strengthens its position as a foundational therapy in immune-mediated disease. AbbVie's JAK inhibitor, RINVOQ, is now the first and only oral treatment approved in the EU for giant cell arteritis, GCA. In the SELECT GCA trial, 46.4% of patients achieved sustained remission at week 52, with reduced steroid exposure and fewer flares compared to placebo. The safety profile was consistent with prior indications. This approval represents a meaningful advancement in vasculitis care, particularly for elderly patients. Samsung Bioepis anticipates major healthcare savings with Pyzchiva, its ustekinumab biosimilar. Across Germany, the UK, and Sweden, the biosimilar could cut treatment costs by over €580 million in 3 years. Per-patient savings include over €5,000 in Germany, €709 in the UK, and €3,388 in Sweden. Legal victories and favorable real-world data support broad adoption. As biosimilars gain traction, value-based care continues to scale across Europe. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next